Hi all, now we are going to discuss about diet as we already have discussed in the previous video. So we have already seen the physical health impact and mental health impact because of improper diet and with the proper diet. Okay, so in both our physical and mental health and even our in our cognitive functioning, diet reflects a great and with the proper because of a proper diet only we are getting a good emotional stability as well as like mental well-being and our physical health. So in now we are going to see the relationship, how mind and body have been related to our digestive system and our diet to the physical health and as well as mental health. So come on, let's see. The gut-brain axis, a two-way street. Gut and brain axis is a two-way street. Two-way street. So gut is reflects our digestive system, the intestine, the digestive system, the food pipe, which are connected to the brain. Okay, so this gut brain axis is a two-way process which reflects our energy and which takes our energy and which promote our activities day to day we are doing in the day to day scenario lives. So a gut brain axis is a bidirectional communication system linking the central nervous system with the energetic nervous system, regulating intestine function and including mood and cognition. Food impact these axes directly. So this digestive system which gives an impact directly to the brain through central nervous system with the help of central nervous system. So the digestive system is the heart for our it's just like heart which decide our mood swings and even our cognition. So which the digestive system and brain actives with the help of central nervous system. The central nervous system will send the signal and that signal will be received from the brain and that promotes our mood and the level of our cognition. Healthy gut microbiomes focused on a proper diet with the help of which is produced by the neurotransmitters and the components. Okay, and that gives a positive effect with the brain health and reduce inflammation which impact the various mental health condition. So our body is fully made up of neurons. Okay, our body is fully made up of neurons and cells. So these proper growth of cells and neuron is which decided by receiving a proper diet, receiving a proper healthy food makes a impact in our mental health conditioning. So next we are going to see what motivates the healthy diet and what motivates the behavior, what would be the habit and what is the coping mechanism. So motivation is what is like understanding individuals' motivation, that is whether health driven, emotional or social is a key encouragement which is sustained with the healthy eating which is internal or which refers to external factor. Say for example, if we have a problem in intaking a food, say for example how is reflecting is if we are upset, if we are facing some stress or depression, we may feel emotionally low. To overcome that unhealthy emotion, like that overcome the bad emotion, we may turn to eat unhealthy behavior or we may turn to be act as a foodie, that is taking n number of food and which result in unhealthy food habit and which may troubles your digestive system. So okay, positive motivation which help us to take a healthy behavior, like take a healthy food, whereas negative motivation which reflect in a taking unhealthy food eating pattern. Okay, taking food because of some emotional disability, so you are making yourself feel better while choosing this intake of food. Okay, that is a motivation, like motivating uh, both internal and external factor, because of internal and external factor. So habit is which you are creating the availability, the routine system or a social norm. Okay, if you want to make anything to be happen, you can keep that particular, like say for example, if you're doing starting with the exercise, if you taken for a period of time, that is to 45 days, that will become to your habit. So creating a good healthy habit is like while taking healthy food for a period of time, and that help us to maintain your consistency, and that will result in a good healthy uh, food intake. Next, coping mechanism is like food is frequently used for coping mechanism, for even for stress, anxiety and boredom, as we discussed. Because of depression, because of anxiety, we may turn to act as a foodie. We may take unhealthy foods with unlimited level and in a frequent way, which we may face a unhealthy behavior, which we may face in risk of some high, some chronic illness or disease also. So health psychologists explore how to develop a healthy emotional regulation, that strategy that would don't rely on the determination of dietary pattern. So health psychology help us to decide how to eat properly if even you are not feeling well. If you are not feeling emotionally well, you may not expose that in the food. Okay, so health psychology helps us to plan our proper dietary system. Thank you.